We'll discuss about the string in the non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types. Basically, we done the discussion in the non-primitive data type. We done the discussion about the class, and then in the second we have the arrays. So we done the discussion about arrays as well. Today we'll discuss about the string. The first point in case of strings, first point is string is the reference data type. String is the referenced data type. Okay. What is the purpose of string basically? So in the non-primitive data type for storing the characters, there we have the one data type, right? That is the char data type, and if you mention the variable name, and which is used to store the single characters. Are you guys clear with my point? Char is the data type which is used to store the single characters. Okay, if I want to store multiple characters, if I write like this, char data type and variable name, and if I write like this, single quotation, if I write like this is valid, this is invalid, this is invalid. Why? Because uh, it will it can store only single character. If you want to store the multiple characters, it is not possible in case of primitive with a char data type. So how will you overcome that issue? That's where strings is come into the picture. Strings is the data type which is used to store the group of characters. I will write here the first point. First point you can remember reference data types. Second point you can remember. Second point you can remember which is the which is used to store the group of characters. Which is used to store the group of characters. Group of characters. And string is the predefined class which is available in java.lang package, I guess. So if I open this document where we have the document, okay, so java se, if I click on it, you will get java.lang package. If I scroll up where we have the string, yes, so java.lang package we have the string class. If I open that string class, all of you read this one. The string class represents the character strings. All string literals in Java programs such as ABC are implemented as the instance of this class. Meaning everything we will represent in the form of group of characters. Group of characters. Okay. So next point is string is the predefined class. String is the predefined class which is available in Java dot which is available in java.lang package. Java.lang package. Lang package. This first one is the reference data type. Second one is the which is used to store the group of characters. Group of characters meaning, for example, if I want to store the group of characters, then I will mention string as the data type, and then you can mention variable name, and equal to we can mention group of characters like if I write like this is a valid or invalid? This is valid. The data type is string. If I write like this is the valid. Why? Because the data type is the string. String is the predefined class which is used to store the group of characters. Which is used to store the group of characters. Okay. Which is available in here. Okay. The next here can remember string class has two siblings. One is the string buffer, one is the string buffer, and second one is the string builder. String buffer and string builder. So string has two siblings. One is the string buffer and second one is the string builder. String builder. So the string buffer and string builder are also predefined classes. Those are also available in the same package. Same package meaning java.lang package. So there has the different use cases. I will show you that one. String buffer and string builder. String buffer and string buffer builder. Okay. So after this, so normally we can create the string in three ways. If you see here, string is an object that represents the sequence of characters. In Java, string is represented by a string class, which is available in java.lang package. One important thing to notice about the string object is that string objects are immutable. That means once string is created, it cannot be changed. Okay, strings are strings are immutable. So I will write that is the one important point here. Strings are immutable. Strings are immutable. For example, once you fix the everybody nowadays we are using the WhatsApp, Telegrams. These are the social media platforms, right? You are sending the message from this side, and outside from the other person also sending the message. Whatever the text you are sending, whatever the text you are getting, every text we will be make it as the string only. So it will be so finally it will be considered as a string. So that content only move to the third person. That coming content everything we can deal with the strings only. Strings is the very important. So if any person want to manipulate, which is not possible in case of string, meaning if you are sending try to sending the some message to the third person, if any person cannot able to modify that one, no we can that not possible. Why? Because string is immutable. Immutable meaning we cannot change the any value, but we can change the values with the help of predefined methods. Okay, we can change the values with the help of predefined methods, but without methods we cannot change the values. So that's why strings are immutable. Strings are immutable. Okay, next thing is how to create string object in Java. Okay, to handle the string data in Java, we need an object of string class. Basically, there are three ways to create the object in Java. There are three ways. One way is literal approach. Second way is new keyword approach. Third way is the by converting arrays into the string. These are the three ways. We'll try to understand one by one. So first one is the literal approach. How many ways we can create the string? How many ways we can create the string? We can create the string in three ways. First, we'll try to understand with literal approach. Literal approach. Second one is by using new keyword. By using a new keyword. So we'll see first one. Literal approach meaning normally. Literal approach meaning normal approach. Normal. How will you create the? How will you create the literal approach? We have to mention the data type and the variable name, and next thing is you can initialize, you can take the group of characters. Okay, you can take the group of characters. So this approach is called literal approach. Literal approach. Okay, how the memory management will be there whenever you create the string, how the memory management will be there. So in Java, entire Java, so strings it will be treated as a JVM. It will be treated as a special case for the strings. So that's why it will give special memory to the strings. Special memory to the strings. Are you guys clear with my point? Are you guys clear with my point? For example, you are in your home, you are doing some function. One VIP person is attending to your function. Then how will you treat to that person? You can special person you will allocate some special room with a good amenities. Okay, you will provide some special space and anything is special, right? Similarly, In Java also string will be treated as a special person. Okay, this is also similar to VIP person. That's where JVM will allocate a special memory to the strings. Okay, that special memory is called string constant pool area. String constant pool area, where the string constant pool area which is available, string constant pool area which is available in heap memory only. Normally object are stored in the heap memory. This STP, SCP also available in the heap memory. Whenever you create the object, that whenever you create the string, that string will be Java JVM will treat it as a special person. It will allocate the memory in the constant pool area. This constant pool area which is available inside heap memory. Heap memory. This is the one approach, and we have the new approach, that is the new keyword approach. New, and you can mention with string, and here we will pass some string data like some demo. Okay, pass like this. So at the time what will happen normally, so we will store this one in some reference variable. This data type is the string. This is the second approach. This is the second approach to create the string by using literal approach. You can say by using literal approach, by using new keyword approach, new operator approach. Okay, I will show you, if you observe here. mm, if you see, this is the heap memory, right? The entire box is the heap memory. When I'm creating the, now I would say literal approach, it will be stored in the string. It will be stored in the string object. This string object str is the reference variable. Then this string got stored in the heap memory. Okay, heap memory. If you see, in Java, string constant pool area is a special area that is used for storing the string objects only. That is stored for the string object only. Okay, next, whenever you create the string literal in Java, JVM check the string constant pool first. The string is already exist in string constant pool. Now, no new string object will be created in the string pool by the JVM. So this one I will show you how it will be. What is the meaning of this statement? So I will tell you. I will use MS Paint, so through that we try to understand. What is joining? So what will happen in normal approach and what will happen with the new keyword approach? Normally we'll take the string is the data type, and this data type reference variable you can take anything, and I'm storing some string values here. If I store some string values here, for example, this is the group of characters, and this one I'm storing here. What will happen internally? What will happen internally basically? So every object will be created inside the heap memory, right? You can assume this is the heap memory. This is the heap memory, and then this is the heap memory. I would say this is the heap memory, and whenever you create the object, this string will be stored in the SCP, string constant pool area, SCP. Okay, I will show you. This is the SCP. This will be stored in the inside this Krishna will be stored inside SCP, and this reference variable will be available in the heap memory, that is str. This data type is the string. Are you guys clear with my point? Always string objects will be placed, always string objects will be stored in the string constant pool area, where which is available, basically which is available inside the heap memory, which is available inside the heap memory. And in the case number 2, in the case number 2, where we have the by using new keyword approach, this is clear, guys. next one is Next one is mm, if you observe here, next case is this is a string one, right? I am mentioning str1. Now if you observe what I am doing, I am taking str2, the string value is Krishna, and then the data type is string. In that case, what will happen? A reference variables is the different, but the string is the same. Are you guys clear with my pointer? String is the same, but you are mentioning reference data type is the different. At the time, what will happen generally? The strings will be stored inside the heap memory. Once already the string is exist, the JVM won't create new string. The JVM won't create new string. Why? Because this Krishna, this is the string object. Okay, Krishna is the string object. If the Krishna string object which is already existing in the SCP, the JVM won't create new strings. Won't create new strings. So without creating the new strings, it will refer the reference reference variables str1 and then str2. Are you guys clear with my point? This is clear. The same point here itself. If all of you read this line, whenever you create whenever you create the string literal in Java, JVM checks the string constant pool first. If string already existing in constant pool, no new string object will be created in the string pool by JVM. This is clear. First, it will check the SCP. If it is existing in the SCP, then it won't create. If not, it will create. Okay. It will, for example, if you are storing the same with the same string with some other reference variable, then in that case, what will happen? This is the string, and then str3 equal to. In this case, what will happen? First, it will go to the constant pool area. It will check the string present is not there, and it is present. Then it will refer the reference point. Then it will mention str3. str3. Are you guys clear with my point? If not, then only it will create. If it is available, then it will we can store that one. It is not created the new string. That is the in case of strings we have to remember. In case of strings we have to remember. Okay. The next thing is next one is third approach by converting the character arrays into the string. Character arrays into the string. If you see here, This is the third way to create the string by converting the characters array into the string. Let's take character type. This is the character type, right? We will take the all characters and then hmm, these all are group of characters. This group of characters will store in the one array format. Array is generally which is used to store the multiple values. So here we are taking as a input as the group of characters. Okay, this group of characters we will convert into the string. String meaning we will convert. I'll show you here. We have the example. This is the four, right? Hmm. If you see here, first they will take the characters. They have stored in the array format. That array format data type is the char, and they are later they are taking a new keyword and they are passing as a input array and they are converting into the string. This is the third approach. Okay, by taking the arrays and they are converting into the string. This is the third approach. Okay. So after this, basically, where we have the manipulations, we can say string manipulations. Normally, strings are immutable. Once you assign the value, we cannot manipulate. But manipulations you can done with predefined methods. JDK team they has provided some predefined methods. With the help of those methods, you can manipulate the data. So that manipulations is called string manipulations. That manipulations is called string manipulations. String manipulations. I would say string manipulations. Manipulations you can achieve with string manipulations. There will be having the different methods. The methods are like the first one is the length method. Length method is the method which is used to how many characters are present inside the string. Okay, how many characters are available in the string? You can find out with the length method. We can find out with the length method. So normally you can take any program main method under the can create the string in literal approach and str.length method. Okay, str.length method. This length method which is used to this method where this length method is available. I am using this length method, right? This method where this method is available. String class. If I open the string document, you can go here. String class. Next thing is if scroll down where we have the methods. These are the methods: caret method, code point at method, code point before method, code point count method, compare to method, compare to ignore case method, concat method, contains method, next equals method. Hmm. These many methods you have: join method, loss index method, length method, length method, right? If you read this statement, returns the length of this string. This is the purpose of this length method. Okay, now the same thing. So this which is available, this method is available in this string class. If I want to import the string class, should I mention the import statement? Should I mention the import statement? No need. Why? Because java.lang is the by default package. If you mention or don't mention, it will access. No need to mention. Without mentioning also you can access. Predefined classes are available inside the lang package. Now simply what I am doing, I will take one file, then I will write one, I will create one string and then I can find out the, so simply I am coming here. So this is the demo.java. In this demo.java, I'm deleting these ones. This is the main method. Here I am creating one string str equal to some string value I am taking. Okay. And then the next thing is we have the length method. We are discussing about the length method, right? Length method. Length is the method which is used to find out the characters are, which is used to find out the characters are, how many characters are present in string, how many characters are present in string. Okay. Now we can take the system dot out dot println. Now println. So I'm str dot length method, length, length length method. Okay, through that I can will see. I'm saving this one, and then simply I will where the file is available. There you can open command prompt cmd, and then here you can open with the Java C demo.java. Okay, the file has successfully compiled Java demo. We are getting the 7. What it does mean, the string is combination of, the string is having 7 characters. Okay, are you guys clear with my point? Length is the method which is used to find out the how many characters are present in the string. Next method is, these methods are like with the help of these methods you can perform the manipulations, string manipulations. Okay, next one is the concatenation. Concatenation is the method which is used to join the two strings. Joining the two strings, string one such string to some Krishna name, and we are doing the concatenation. We are doing the concatenation. So the same thing I will do here. I'm using the same file. So here I'm doing the string str1. So next method is concatenate method. Concat method which is used to add two strings, or which is used to join two strings. Anything is fine. Okay, now I am taking two strings. First one is the string str1 equal to some name I am taking, search. Okay, and then semicolon, and then second one is string str2 equal to, I'm taking some Bangalore, and then I want to do the concatenate. So you can take a Bangalore, anything, search Bangalore. Now I want to do the concatenation. So how can I do? First str one dot concat. Concat is the method, and in this method I am passing as the parameter as the s2. Okay, this is the approach. So this one I am storing in one reference variable, that is the str3, and this reference variable data type is the string. Okay, you can write this one in the sysout statement also, that is also fine, no issue. Now I am saying system dot out dot println, here I am mentioning str3, and then I am saving this one, and then I am going to here, and then I am compile that one with the help of java c demo.java, and then we are getting the such benefit. Okay, the concat is the method which is used to join the two strings. Next one is um, char array. Char array basically which is used to convert the all characters of string into the character array. Hmm. all characters of string. All characters you can it will convert generally. Char array meaning, for example, group of characters meaning, if I take the Krishna and this one, if I convert like as the array, how the arrays will be stored? It will be stored the based on the index positions, right? So there it will be stored in the like this: K R I S H and A. It will be stored like this. So how can achieve? So where we have this program. So initially we will take the group of characters, and then this group of characters, if you want to convert to the char array by using to char method. Okay, to char method, and we will store in some reference variable. This reference variable data type is the char method, and then in the arrays we have the toString method. It will convert into the arrays toString method, arrays dot toString. This array method which is available in java.util package. Java.util package. So I will show you that one. This is the search, str1 is the search. So here I am taking str1, and then now what I am doing, str1 dot to carry str dot to char array, and here I am passing this one. I am storing in some char array. Char array is the reference variable. You can take anything, and this char array data type is the int boolean. No, 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 char, yeah, char. Okay, and then we have the system dot out dot println. System dot out dot println. Here you can mention with arrays. So arrays is the predefined class which is available in java.util package. I will show you that one. This is the predefined package, right? Here we have the java.util package. If you come here, java.util package, if you open that one, java.util package. Here we have these are the interfaces. If you scroll up here, this is the arrays. If I click on it, arrays is the predefined classes. In the arrays predefined classes also, we have the predefined methods. We'll use those methods. Copy of. Next thing is equals method, fill method. Somewhere we have the toString methods. These all are methods. Short method. Okay, next toString method. Okay, toString method. So as of now, we are using the toString method. Class name is the class name is this one, arrays. Okay, simply array where we will use the toString method, and then this char array we will pass as the parameter. Here we have to import java dot till dot arrays. Str dot to char array. Okay, I'm saving this one. where the file is available, simply can go there. So I have to compile the file and then we have to run the file. If you see, this is the input, right? By using these methods, we are getting this one as the output, meaning which will be stored in the form of array, arrays. So whenever you mention with the square braces, which represents the arrays, which will represent the arrays. Okay, we are taking as the character as the input, and we are returning as the array. Mm. Uh, mm. ఆర్ఎస్లోకి వెళ్ళి టూ స్ట్రింగ్ మెథడ్ తెచ్చుకొని మనం ఇందులో వాడుతున్నాం. అవును. అవును. Okay. So similarly, we have the some other methods. Caret method. Caret method, which is used to retrieve the string character. Okay, single character. For example, this is the str.caret method. At the index position one, what are the character which is available? You can retrieve that one. Um, Java C demo.java. Then we're getting the R as the output. Okay. Next method is we have compare to method. So compare to method is the which is used to comparison between two values. Okay, two values. If you see here, based on the alphabetical order, mm, which is having one value, the value is such, and second string also we have. So it will how it will compare. Yes, alphabetical order is 19. Yeah, alphabetical order is 1. So it will comparison, and then it will finally it will give as the difference. The difference, okay? How the difference will be there? I'll show you that one. For example, string 1 is the search, and then one more string I am taking, that is the string str2. Here I am doing the what I am doing. I am doing difference. Difference method compare to compare to string str2, and then this one I am storing in somewhere. So that somewhere name I am mentioning as str3, and this str3 name is int. Okay, this one I am passing as an input to here str3. Okay, I'm saving this one, and then you can simply come here. We are getting the difference between two strings. Okay, next we have the same methods. Uh, uh, నంబర్ ఏంటంటే స్ట్రింగ్ ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ ఆర్డర్ అంతా 19. ఏ యొక్క ఆల్ఫాబెటికల్ రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని జీరోలు అవుతాయి. అదేనా? ఆ, ఇవి డిఫరెంట్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇవన్నీ జీరోలు అవుతాయి. ఇది డిఫరెంట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 19 - 1. ఆ డిఫరెన్స్ 18. అలాగా. Contains method generally which is used to contain the characters or not, you can check with the contains method. For example, str1 dot I am mentioned contains method contains. Here I will pass some string value here like uh, ge. Okay, if I pass the ge and then I can check I am saving this file and then I am will come here and then java cdemo.java and then it will return true, uh, which is contains or not you can check. If you not mention some any other value, so it will return the false. Okay, that is the contains method. And similarly we have the some more methods, index of methods. So based on the if you mention the characters here, it will return the index position. Okay, next thing is two string method. If you see here, this is we are storing as a characters and we are converting this one into two string. Okay, two string. What is the, why we are converting two string meaning? I will show you str1. Here I am mentioning str1 dot two string, saving this one. Java cdemo.java search. This is in the format of characters, right? Two string which will convert as the object. Okay, it will convert as the object. For example, if I will take so any, it will be written as the object only. Strong. So two string is the method which is used to convert a group of characters into the object. Group of characters into the object. So that is the main purpose of the two string method. Okay, that is the main purpose of the two string method. This is the group of characters, right? So we can convert this group of objects, this one into the object with the help of two string methods. Okay. Next, in the same way, we have the replace method. Replace method meaning you can replace with any other string also. For example, if you see here, hello world, so you can replace with hello world with some other place, Java. So that is possible with the help of replace method. Replace method. Then I will show you that one. Mm, Here we have the two strings. One is the hello, second one is the world, right? Okay. So if you want to replace, how will you replace? So str1 dot replace method. What you want to replace, you can mention here with double quote word, and then you can mention whatever you want to adding the new word. You can mention here Java, and then we can store this the entire thing in a result, and then we can mention the data type as the string, the data type as the string. Okay, this one we can pass as the this we can pass as the result. Okay, here we can mention with comma. Okay, now this is the program actually. Okay, I am saving this one. You can go your command prompt and then Java C, and then if I execute that one, hello Java. So initially we are passing as the hello world. We are replacing that string with another string. Okay, these are the predefined methods. So I will share this document. Please go through it, and where you have the two differences. One is the string buffer and second one is the string builder. What is the difference between the string buffer and string builder? Generally, string buffer is used to create the mutable string. Okay, it means it can change anything. Only the difference is between both of one is the synchronized, second one is the not synchronized. What does it mean by synchronized? We'll try to understand. Okay, we have the two siblings, right? So we'll try to understand string buffer. String buffer, first point is, in case of string buffer, first point is it is mutable. Mutable meaning we can modify, okay. And then the second thing is here, string buffer meaning this one is synchronize. Synchronize meaning uh, at a time synchronizing me, and you can say thread safe. Thread safe meaning at a time only one person can able to access. At a time only one person can able to access. Can able to access. Okay. Are you guys clear with my point? String buffer is the mutable. We can modify, and this one is the synchronize. Synchronize meaning at a time only one person can able to access. Can able to at a time can able to access. At a time only one person can able to access. Okay. In case of string builder, I have to remember first one. This one also mutable only. It is also mutable. Then what is the difference between string buffer and string builder? Here also we can modify. Okay, here also we can modify. We can modify the data. Then what is the difference between the string buffer and string builder? Generally, this is not synchronized. Non-synchronized. Non-synchronized, and you can say not thread safe. Not thread safe. Not thread safe meaning at a time multiple people can able to access. That is the only the difference. At a time multiple persons can able to access. Multiple multiple persons can able to access. Can able to access. So this is the difference we have to remember in case of string buffer, in case of string builder. Okay, this is all about strings. Strings is the very important topic actually. So everybody go through it. Do these all the methods. I will share this one in your groups. Then you can easily go through it. You can do that one and you can share it.